Managing different types of employees. Ninja techniques for the real-world leader. Aladin Fintech Studio, Fintech news, views and many more.
No matter the size of your team, your employees will have all sorts of personalities. As a leader, it's important that you learn to work with each person individually.
You should not employ a one-size-fits-all managerial style, but instead find ways that best support your different employees so they do their best work. Here are some common types of employees and how best to manage them.
High-maintenance employees. High-maintenance employees are those who require a significant amount of a manager's time, often due to behaviors like seeking affirmation or asking too many questions. To manage them effectively, create a dialogue to understand their needs, address specific behaviors, and tailor interactions to each individual.
Offer solutions to mitigate any issues, set clear expectations and boundaries, and provide support and training. With patience and persistence, high-maintenance employees can become valuable contributors to the team.
Self-managing employees. Self-managing employees are highly desirable as they require minimal guidance to get their work done. However, as a manager, it's important to remain an effective leader and ensure that these employees feel motivated and enthusiastic about their work.
Regular check-ins and open communication about team goals can help you better support them with feedback and resources. By creating an environment that fosters self-management while still providing support, you can help your team thrive and achieve great results.
Shy and introverted employees. Shy and introverted employees may exhibit reserved or timid behaviors and may not engage much with others or speak up during meetings. As a manager, it is important to understand their behaviors and provide a safe and supportive environment for them.
Give them space to work while also making yourself available to help, and consider having regular on-and-on meetings to create a more comfortable and personal environment for discussion. Understand what methods work best for them to minimize any day-to-day anxiety and help them do their best work. Embrace their strengths and value their contributions to the team.
A team with different motivation levels. A team with varying motivation levels can be challenging for managers to lead effectively. High performers may require less attention, but it's still important to set measurable goals and offer opportunities for career growth. Low performers may require more clear instructions, goals, and expectations to boost their confidence and help them improve.
Rather than assuming their lack of motivation, it's important to identify their strengths and weaknesses and offer teachable moments for them to learn from. One leadership style does not fit all, and adapting to each team member's needs is crucial for building a successful team.
As a young manager, leading older employees can be challenging, but it's important to understand their strengths and utilize their institutional knowledge. Respecting their experience and asking for their help can build a positive relationship, successful team.
Communicating effectively with each individual is key, whether it's through face-to-face conversations or digital platforms. By valuing their contributions and using their strengths, a young manager can build a successful and collaborative team.
Remote employees. Remote work is increasingly common, but managing remote employees presents unique challenges. Remote workers may feel disconnected from the team, leading to decreased productivity. As a manager, it's important to find ways to engage remote workers and build a personal connection.
Ensure remote employees have the necessary technology and security to be productive. For example, employees who rely on meetings need up-to-date tools for audio and video collaboration. Security is also a priority, with public spaces making it easy for laptops to be compromised. Invest in robust security measures to protect your employee and company.
A new team. To make a good impression when managing a new team, schedule brief one-on-one meetings with each employee to get to know them on an individual basis and introduce yourself personally. Use this time to establish open communication and learn how each employee prefers to give and receive feedback.
This will help create a comfortable environment for employees to voice their concerns or ideas. Address any previous or ongoing issues and offer solutions to make their work more manageable. By starting off with these steps, you can build a positive foundation for managing your new team.
Gen Z employees. As generations enters the workforce, it's important for managers to understand their values, including inclusion, the environment, and social justice. This tech-savvy group prioritizes career development, explicit instruction, and goal clarification, as well as diversity and mental health.
Leading by example and adopting their ideals and managerial styles are key to retaining Gen Z employees. Managers should create a supportive yet challenging environment, listen to their concerns, and learn more about managing this generation in the workplace.
To ensure a shy or introverted employee feels safe and supported, give them space to work while letting them know that you're available to help. You can also have regular one-on-one meetings that offer a more personal environment to comfortably discuss any issues. Find out which methods allow this employee to do their best work and minimize any day-to-day anxiety. Thanks for watching. Aladin Fintech Studio. Fintech news, views and many more.